What is up, YouTube? Oh my gosh, my hair. Today we are going to a big meet. Also I'm going to Florida, guys, so I will see if anybody's from Florida, comment down below. I'll see if we can link up or something, but I'm doing a few videos that you guys do not want to miss. And right now I'm cleaning up the V because she's dirty as hell. I actually ordered some new badges for the V. We're gonna put those on. I also got a new spoiler for the V also, and then I got the rear badge as well that I need to clean up. This is the OEM one. I'm gonna take this off and then get some 3M outside tape or whatever they use. We're gonna do that. I'm gonna go clean up the V, give her a nice little bath detail, and then we're gonna go check out this meet.
What's up, dilly dude? So oh hi mom, how are you doing?
Hi.
So we gotta put these badges on. These are the side badges, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? Got to get the V logo. We gotta let everybody know this is a V, you know? Because it's a V, you know? But we're gonna put the side ones on. What it's gonna look like. I think it'll just go right here. Yeah, we'll put them right there. And then, don't you f***ing yank my pony, you yes. But we're gonna put the side badges on. And then I got one for the rear. Crazy Chris. I'm probably gonna look up on my phone real fast, see where these go, just so I can get a good idea. But as you can see, the car's nice and shiny. Woo! Except for the windows. We gotta do the windows next. Don't look at the windies. We'll get back to when we frickin' figure it. Oh yeah. All right, now going back. Oh, it's off a little bit, but you know what I'm saying? We don't care. We do not care. It's on there.
I think it looks pretty good. Kind of like lift it up like that. There we go. Looks better.
Looks pretty sick though. On to the next one, and then we're gonna get the rear.
Like a bird.
I'll help you along, my lady.
Oh shoot.
Not YouTube appropriate, sorry.
Hey baby. On to the next one.
Should we do this one at an angle too, or?
No, we're just gonna send it. That one looks a lot better. CTS-V. You're recording a long video. All right, guys, we're gonna unbox this.
Anthony, where's your PPE? The glove that's right there, so you don't cut yourself, or like safety glasses, or like a hard hat.
Oh, dude, I just cut my belly.
Oh, dude. Ooh, what's that?
All right, guys.
Giant boomerang. As we were saying, is this just a large boomerang, or?
This thing does not weigh anything. That's crazy. It weighs like nothing. But here's my new duckbill.
Guys, remember, it does not weigh anything, and it does not weigh anything.
My new duckbill spoiler. This thing's gonna look so amazing on my car. So yeah, guys, that's it. We're gonna go put this thing on. I wonder what this is made out of. It's made out of ABS. So it's gonna be pretty sturdy, and hopefully it'll handle all the speeds we go through. So don't mind this, guys. We're getting that fixed soon. I'll explain that. The new trunk spoiler looks pretty legit. It's obviously gonna be sitting down more flush, but I think I was reading reviews. They said this tape is garbage. So I might have Jimmy when we get this body work done. Might have him drill these in, but not now. For now, we're just gonna go grab some 3M tape. But it's looking freaking sick with the V badges now. It's like the car's actually coming together. Alright guys, so we're gonna go get some 3M tape right now. Probably gonna head to Home Depot and then get the V nice and sexy. This is the aisle of all the aisles that we need to go to. 3M outdoor tape. Now I need to find the skinny stuff. So here's the culprits. We got Scotch outdoor tape, double-sided, and Gorilla tape.
I'm not doing it on camera, man.
On a camera mount, dude, this guy's a
To the Subaru.
What's up? Launch it, launch it. Oh, God! Yeah! Go! Go! Yeah! So I got a whole bunch of surprises for you. You have my keys, Chris. Give me my keys. Bruh. Turn it off, bro.
I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They go into school and they work in a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box. Nobody telling me what I should rock.
We got all the Gorilla tape on. It's good for 30 pounds, and this thing doesn't weigh anything. So we're gonna get this thing on here and just send it.
Nobody telling me what I should drop, cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring. I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master. I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I want to do when I want to.
So we're inside. Boy, do I look like a crazy guy. But I'm gonna finish gluing, or not gluing, I'm gonna get the adhesive on the back of this V. We'll be good to go, guys. We're gonna head out to the meet and then see if we can see some of our friends, fans, everything. Oh, time to put this V badge on the V. Thanks for eating my V badge.
It's gotta be precision.
Oh, wait.
This one's gotta be precise. Oh, yep, it's on.
It's on. It's officially a V. It's official.
Sweet.
So I'm just gonna end this video right here, guys, because I don't know, this is more of like an install type video for the CTS-V viewers, but if you want to see the meet video, it's coming up next on Fox. If you want to see the meet video, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button as well, so you can see when I upload that. If not, if it's already uploaded, then it's already uploaded. But go check it out on the channel, guys. Really sick meet. But thanks for watching this install video. Comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon. I know I've been the cold